Join me as I make a small batch of marmalade. What you need is a very simple small group of ingredients. So I'll just catch you up where we are at. You're going to need sugar. There are jam sugars out there, but I'm just going to use what I have on hand, which is raw sugar. You're going to need some assorted citrus fruit. I have an orange that needs to be used. I've already started with kumquat, that's just the leftovers, and you can use some lemon, and this is where we're at so far. This is the jar that we just finished this morning, and you're going to need something for measuring. I'm going to need some water, which is not shown, a cutting board and a knife, and a heat proof spoon. I'm just going to finish prepping the fruit for the kumquats. This includes just cutting them in half, cutting the seeds out, and then I'm cutting any bits of pith like this out, because that is going to be sour and affect the quality. Taking out pips. I'm going to use the peel from this orange, so I'm going to peel it, then chop up the peel, and then I'm going to use segments of the flesh and avoid the pith and the seeds from that as well. Just a little bit of the lemon peel and some of the juice, probably not the whole lemon. Oh, this one's got a lot of seeds. Just go around that seed. It's a good bit. That's okay. Kumquats are very small and fiddly, but they've got great flavour for marmalade, and they'll add something. And I had to use them, so hence why they are going in. I got them off a friend's tree, and they've lasted really well in the fridge while I got round to doing this. And Karsten was very brave. Didn't record it, but I gave him a peeled kumquat, and apparently it wasn't very ripe. What did it taste like, darling?
Very nice.
Very nice. He told me it tasted like a lemon. These citrus fruit are already washed, as are my hands. That is not external, that's just a characteristic of that orange. I forgot to say, a peeler such as this could be useful. So peeler, just going to peel a thin layer, just to give you two perspectives, a thin layer, trying to get as little bit of the white pith, which tastes bitter, as possible. So that is pretty thin, very thin. That's just going to be chopped up and added in. Thin bit of pith, but not much. And I'm going to do the same with the orange. I'm going to peel a thin layer. This rubbish. It's taken 10 minutes. The kumquats were the fiddly thing. I'm not aiming for perfection or any particular size here, just small enough that it would cook down. So segmenting the orange and skipping any pith. Let's try it. Nice sweet good orange. Waste not step here is I've used a board with a rim, guys, especially for this purpose, so that juice doesn't go everywhere and we can use it. So time for the next two ingredients, which we're keeping it simple, and you're meant to cook the peel first for 10 minutes, which I just reread now. So I've just taken the orange flesh out, and I'm going to add my water in. to the rest of it and boil. So I'm going to add around a cup of water. That'll be a small cup. Let's do that. Of course, measurements are important. So that's going on the heat to cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. Adding in the orange parts and the lemon. And then I'm quickly going to add in the sugar, which is a cup. About right. So I've got a cup of sugar, and you can see inside the pot here what it looks like. I think I've got enough liquid. I want it to reduce down anyway. Make sure that's on. It needs to be on high for a bit. Just going to see what it all looks like, and try not to slosh it around like I did. Lose your precious juices. That's going to come to a boil, and you need to stir it 2 or 3 times while it's boiling, and then that is going to cook down. The peel that I had previously cooked for 20 minutes has already cooked down, so now it's just for the magic to happen and for the fruit to cook down and the sugar to dissolve, creating the marmalade. So this should boil for about 12 minutes. Just got it on a low medium, and it's definitely boiling here. Let me just put that even down a little bit more. This has had the 15 minutes that was specified in the recipe I'm following of boiling and occasional stirring, but it's looking still a bit liquid, so I'm just going to keep going till it gets to a jammy consistency. You can put the marmalade on a cold ceramic plate that's been in the freezer. I don't have a big enough freezer to put my only ceramic plate in there, so I'm just going to show you. It looks really thick. I don't even think I need to skim that off, that's just bubbles. I'm just going to add in a little bit of extra flavouring. Just going to get some help here while I do that. This is cinnamon. Just going to add a little pinch in. Little pinch of cinnamon. And a bit of vanilla bean paste. Some people say vanilla cancels, citrus cancels vanilla. So I don't know if this will be a waste of some delicious full of vanilla bean paste, but we'll put a spoon in anyway, a big spoon. Well, big teaspoon. Don't have too much left. And then this is cooling. You can see that texture. And I'm just going to let it cool a little bit more before I put it into my clean jar, which I'm not going to sterilise because it had jam in it, it's been rinsed out, and it's going to go in the fridge and we're going to eat it in the next few days. So that's going to go in the jar.
Just the old jam or marmalade was just finished. Good, we don't need to run to the supermarket.
And we've used up the orange and the kumquats and half a lemon in here, and I think it looks good.
Did you ever had the kumquat pure?
Carsten did.
It was sour. It was wrinkling my skin.
Yes, it was. I've got the cutting board there just to catch any bits.
I think it will be very nice on a nice piece of muffin.
I just washed that, so there we have. Of course, you do the proper thing and clean up any spills, and refilled marmalade. Whoops, spilled.
How is it?
Tastes good. Can you taste the vanilla?
No.
Might be a waste of vanilla.
I cannot even taste the Zimt.
The cinnamon.
Cinnamon, sorry. That is German.
Okay, I'm sure it will be delicious.
But it is delicious.
Yeah. 4 parts fruit and peel, water and sugar. I used raw sugar. It melted down fine. And good luck with your own marmalade making experience.
Looks great. Looks delicious.
Well, I know you've tried it before, but...
And it tastes delicious. Not so sweet. I love it.
Let's try it.
Yeah, I think you have to make it again.
I've already taken a bite now.
I mean the jam, not the bite.
Let's try it.
I think you have to make it again, and maybe you can do it with lemons.
I'd love to try that.
Yeah, I think with lemon should be nice as well.